In motorsports, a pit stop is a pause for refueling, new tires, repairs, mechanical adjustments, a driver change, and a penalty or any combination of the above. These stops occur in an area called the pits, most commonly accessed via a pit lane, which runs parallel to the start/finish straightway of the track and is connected to it at each end. Along the lane is a row of garages, typically one per team or car, outside which the work is done in a pit box. So here in this video we will discuss about 10 most spectacular pit stops in Formula 1. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. 10. Ayrton Senna. Ayrton Senna, the Brazilian legend, entered the track in 1993 for a tire change and exited 4 seconds later. Those speeds are much faster than the 8 seconds we saw one of the greatest F1 drivers of all time, Michael Schumacher, set for his pit stop, but they are still slower than the pit stops we will see shortly. Senna and the crew tried to get the fastest pit stops in F1, but we can say that they did not accomplish the goal at that time. However, with 4.81 seconds, they still managed to get in the top 10 slots. Back then, the fastest pit stop was performed by Benetton in 1993, lasting only 3.2 seconds. Some details of the stop were written in one of the books belonging to a Benetton crew member. 9. Valtteri Bottas. Mercedes claim this incredible pit stop is one to be seen of the fastest pit stops in F1. However, the team managed to do this in less than 3 seconds. But indeed, their goal was less. Bottas and the team can go faster than after successfully trying to do the best communication during the race for excellent results in benefits of both winning and setting the records. Besides that, Bottas has 9 wins with 1559 career points till now. Also, Mercedes won the Constructors' Championship for a 4th consecutive year in the US. Vettel secured his 3rd pole of the season at the Brazilian Grand Prix and followed it up with a 4th pole position and 3rd win at Abu Dhabi. 8. Lewis Hamilton. A notable pit stop by one of the highest paid athletes right now. Lewis Hamilton occurred after his Mercedes car accidentally went into a McLaren pits after only leaving the team 2 races before, but he still managed to get one of the fastest pit stops of all time with 2.31 seconds. Lewis's incredible team played a massive role in the success of his career. They always try to achieve the best results with their teamwork and coordination at the race. And on the other hand, one of the most important athletes right now, Hamilton showed his talent on track. Besides that, Lewis's overall career performance made him one of the most respected sportsmen in F1 racing. With 3,879 career points, Lewis has won 98 wins till now in his career. 7. Kimi Raikkonen. Currently, most of the cars complete their pit stop with approximately 3 seconds of each other. Having hit the 2.20 second mark, Kimi's pit stop did something rare in 2018. On lap 20, the Ferrari and Mercedes pit crews took advantage of the opportunity to change tires. In contrast, Hamilton stayed out of the track when race leader Raikkonen entered the pit lane and took the lead for the first time that afternoon. Even though Ferrari performed the fastest pit stop of the day by 2.20 seconds, it was an early stop that eventually got the better of them. However, they managed to get the position at one of the fastest pit stops in F1 with their outstanding performance and bounding. 6. Sebastian Vettel. We all know Sebastian Vettel as one of the highest paid race car drivers of all time. During his first pit stop on lap 27, Vettel had new tires installed in a time of 1.97 seconds. The first wheel changed the season in less than 2 seconds. Vettel and the team achieved one of the fastest pit stops in F1 with excellent coordination and effort. Besides that, Jean-Louis Vettel won 4 consecutive world championships between 2010 and 2013. His first title made him the sport's youngest world champion, breaking the records for the most consecutive 9 race wins with the most races won in a season, 13. With 3,028 career points, Vettel has won 53 races in his career. 5. Mark Webber. Sebastian Vettel, the driver of Red Bull Racing, won his 8th straight Formula 1 race at the United States Grand Prix. However, Webber's teammate also set a record when he had one of the fastest pit stops. Internal data from Red Bull Racing shows Webber stopped after lap 29 in 1.923 seconds. NBC reported that Webber's time was 2.05 seconds, which is still quite fast, but it is slower than his previous record. Mark Webber remained Red Bull's second priority since Romain Grosjean was in second place. A remarkable thing happened to him on lap 28 when he came in for his pit stop. Every mechanic is well prepared like they always are, and their pneumatic drills are ready at hand. On went the old medium compound tires in the front and the rear, and on went the new hard. 4. Felipe Massa. Formula 1 witnessed one of the fastest pit stops in F1 ever during the Grand Prix of Europe when a pit crew replaced 4 tires in historical time and sent the driver back on his way in full view of TV cameras. Williams' team in 2016 achieved fine art in pit stop precision with surprise. After lap 7, their driver Felipe Massa was able to reach their pit box. The time of 1.92 seconds made this pit memorable for F1 fans for an extended period. As far as in-race pit stops are concerned, the Williams team has earned a reputation as one of the best. Furthermore, in 2016, Williams was the winner of the award of the quickest pit stop at every F1 race so far that year. 3. Pierre Gasly. The time it took Red Bull's pit crew to change 4 tires on Pierre Gasly's car at the British Grand Prix probably wouldn't be a lot. The folks behind the guns can be seen tracking the wheels as they roll slowly. As other squad mates raise the car, the old rubber starts coming off almost simultaneously. They fist bumped and patted each other on the helmet, so they knew they did an excellent job after Gasly drove away in just 1.91 seconds. 2. Max Verstappen. Red Bull Racing did it again in Hockenheim, changing all 4 wheels of Max Verstappen in a record 1.88 seconds, just one race after lowering the benchmark of the second fastest pit stops in Formula 1. The team's fantastic performance and coordination led them to achieve this feat. Lap 46 marked the final stop of Max Verstappen in a last-ditch attempt to get the car in line in qualifying. Verstappen switched from intermediaries to soft slicks after a long period of drizzling rain. Moreover, the Red Bull pit crew reached their 8th stop of 9 during the afternoon's chaos due to Verstappen and Gasly. 1. Max Verstappen. Verstappen passed Lewis Hamilton twice on the circuit to secure his 8th F1 victory at the Brazilian Grand Prix in November 2019 during the race at Interlagos. His mechanics also earned themselves some accolades after becoming the fastest pit crew in F1 history. Despite only taking 1.82 seconds to stop the Dutchman's car, change his 4 tires and get him online, the team of technicians managed to get him back on the road. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.